This is Trashy Tips and Stuff, and today, Mathematica calculating with units. This is the freeze frame, look at it in your own time, and now in Mathematica. I will calculate the force between two masses, m1 and m2, at a distance of r. I will plug in units corresponding to my mass of 60 kilograms and the mass of a plant 1 meter away from me, and the plant will have the mass of 1 kilogram. Okay, let's not get mixed up at this point, let's actually start with the video. I will enter units by pressing Ctrl=sign. This will open up the natural language input, and now I can type in 60 kilograms, and then I can click the check mark, and I will have 60 kilograms as a value with a unit and a magnitude. I can do the same for 1 kilogram, and I can do the same for 1 meter squared. I can also add in physical constants such as the gravitational constant g. You can see it works out. Now Shift Enter to execute the commands you wrote into a cell, and you see that we've got a result. However, this result is not in the units we're actually interested in. So now we will unit convert it by typing out the unit convert function and copying our statement from before into it. And now if we do Shift Enter, the unit will be SI base units, kilograms times meter per second squared. Now we can do something else with unit convert. And this specific thing is converting into a different unit. And force is usually measured in newtons, so I will unit convert my expression into newtons. Okay, Shift Enter, get the result, nice. Now, seeing as the result is very small, I want to convert it into nanonewtons, which I can do in the same manner. Finally, I want to show you that you can use ScientificForm to write the result in ScientificForm, such as giving a result to two significant figures, and you can also use n to convert a value into numeric representation. Thank you.